Hey guys, Casey here from Arb Session. I just wanted to make you all aware of a recent safety notice that went out or was emailed out, and this is specifically referring to the Weaver Stratus saddle or harness. To make it simple, basically what you are replacing is this strap right here. So really the difference is the stopper end has been given an extra layer of the webbing, and then also it is stitched twice now. Basically, there was a little bit more of an increased risk that this was slipping through, and yeah, they wanted to put this update out, which they are sending out to all the affected harnesses, which is basically every harness manufactured in March of 2025 and prior. So pretty much all of them that are out there right now will have this outdated strap or suspension component. So anyways, going to go into detail in how to swap this out. So the biggest key thing that you do have to remember is this, the printing on these rigging paws. You want the lettering to the outside. What I was doing to basically make sure that everything kind of stays in line is I lay out the harness in a way that once I take this strap off, everything's pretty much oriented the same way. It just kind of helped me figure out how to make sure I'm running the straps the same way. So again, it's simply slipping it off. Again, it kind of, the one with the single stitching definitely does fall out a lot easier than the double one. It's actually kind of a bear to get the new strap through again. So here's the one with the double stitching, and it's basically double folded over. You want the buckle so that the smaller is over top of the large. So basically I'm going to feed this straight down. Again, it's going to be a little bit more of a bear to push this through. Okay, so now you can see that everything is oriented the same way. You got the double buckle, or the smaller, over the top of the larger, pulled it down. Now here's the trick that I found, because I had to do the rest of our inventory, was how to get this through this hole. I was trying to fold it in half. I was trying to, kind of push it through with a fid. All of those had quite the struggle. What I realized is you basically fold it to roll it, really pinch it to start as if you're like rolling it up. And what this allowed me to do was actually put it through like I'm rolling it through. So here is, you basically pinch it so it's starting to roll. And this is the way that's gonna be. Again, it's gonna be tough, but it was the easiest that I found to be able to get this through. And I think it's the, oh, there it is. So yeah, basically you can kind of see you get it started so it's like rolling right in, and now you can see it'll just pop right through. So we got that, and then this part's pretty simple. Go through both straps and wrap around, and this one's replaced. All right, now we're going to get out the other side. Again, this strap, you could definitely see why they put this safety notice on. Kind of falls through pretty easily. Let's get this rolled out. Okay. Again, we are looking for the double stitch with it folded over a couple extra times. And make sure, oh, almost put it on upside down. Okay, got that correct. Poking it through the ring here. And again, here is the rolling trick. The other one definitely fought me. Let's see if we can get this one to come through a little bit easier. Yep, there we go. You can kind of see, push it right through. This one's just, there it is. Okay, make sure this is rotated correctly. And now, again, push it through both buckles. Flip this around a little bit. And then split the buckles open and push it through. So again, that one went a lot easier. The other one was definitely fighting me a little bit more. And then generally speaking, again, the highlights are you want them, the replacement straps need to go through the center here, basically kind of holding it up. Now you can kind of see nothing is twisted. Everything's pretty clean in line. And there you go. Everything is completely swapped out, and you should be in good shape. So again, reach out to Weaver, or you can reach out to us. We'll get you to the link where they want you to fill out a form on their website, and they will ship you these replacement straps and just swap it out. So yeah, it's actually kind of like kind of getting a replacement suspension for it, even if you put some use into it. So got any questions, reach out to us, info@arborist.com, or give us a call, shoot us a text. You run into any issues, we're more than happy to help you out. Again, this is Casey at Arborist. Thanks for checking in.